YouTube, this your boy, y'all. I have unboxing to do. Long time no see on the video, y'all. So stay tuned. Hit that like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave me a comment, y'all. Let's run these comments up. Let me get more than one comment this time on this video, y'all. Thank y'all so much, man, for pulling up in my lives every day, supporting your boy, man. I'm thankful for all of y'all, man. I got these new setup I'm about to show y'all. It's going to my old school, y'all. Peace.
Yeah. Welcome to Chevy Attic. Yeah, you know the name. Engines roaring loud while we switching every lane. Chrome shining bright. Hit a horsepower car, but it's bigger than the cars. It's the family for us all, where the vibes stay real and the energy strong. Hard work every day while we riding along. Peace in the air, positivity in the zone. If you roll with the crew, then you never ride alone. Subscribers ain't viewers, now we call them the fam. Laughing on the live panel, yeah, you know who I am. Real talk.
What's going on, YouTube? This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video. Alright, y'all. I know it's been a long time since I dropped the video, man. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up on this video, y'all. Let's see how far this video go. So, y'all see I got a box here to unbox. And my fuse box here to put together, y'all. So, I started making preparations for buying my new pieces for my new setup, y'all. I'm getting ready slowly on the truck bill and my car bill, y'all. So I find certain things I'm gonna use and certain things I'm gonna run on my bill. So these right here for my bill going to my truck. These right here is 300 amp fuses. So this is a ceramic ones, y'all. So we're gonna have a little protection. Excuse the scream in the background, y'all, because the people back of me is having a birthday party today, y'all. So shouts out to that. Just small little video, y'all. I'm trying to get little things started back again on my channel, video wise. And man, oh man, this bill took a lot out of me, man. But you know what though? Good things come to those who wait. You understand, grasshopper? So that's how we do it. So got these together, y'all. I ain't gonna tighten them down because I know how to take them out again when they run a wide through them, y'all. So stay tuned for that, for the Leland bill. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed, y'all. Let's see what this is. Y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Like I said, I decided to start buying my new stuff I want for my next bill in my car. You know, so y'all gonna see what I chose to ride with. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna use this next on my next order, y'all. I gotta order my 6.5s. I gotta order so many 6.5s, y'all. And to start the show is right here. PRV. My first set of PRV tweeters, y'all. Yes, sir. That's how they came looking like. Get me a sticker. I'm not gonna use a sticker. Y'all don't use stickers in my car like that. That's how you advertise your business. You put the stickers in there, y'all. Yes, sir. Here they go. Here they go. Let's see what I'm down. Give me some screws, mountain hardware, y'all. Yes, sir. PRV for the win. PRV for the win. Here we go. Nice and compact, y'all. It's kind of small. 3.5. So just know they could be screaming loud, very loud, y'all. So nice matte back PRV. Yeah. These right here going Lucille. So stay tuned, y'all, for the next unboxing, because I might order my amps next. But y'all know I gotta order my wire as well. So I'm gonna buy them amps when I get ready. I ain't rushing for nobody. I bought a total of 3 sets. I thought it would give me a lanyard out, but they didn't give me a lanyard. But it's all good though. It's all just good. Like I told y'all before, I'm building my old school build, y'all. So I'm getting myself prepared now. I guess I got a total of 3 of these. Y'all see the welcome card, tweeters. Got a little weight to them too, y'all. Sticker. I don't care about this sticker, y'all. Honestly, I don't. Honestly, I don't. They 4 on though, I can tell you that. I'm going with 4 on this time, not 8 on. So, that's all. Hold on a minute, y'all. I just thought of something. Let's check something out, y'all. Let's check something out. Let's turn this around right here. Turn this around my back door. Actually, I'm gonna bring y'all closer so y'all know. I might order another set of these, y'all. Let me see they fit right here. But I ain't trying to cross over my stuff, y'all. So if they fit, I might order some Dependo ones. I might order some Dependo ones to put back here. They fit, y'all. Oh, sugar ducky. Sugar ducky. I might give me another set of these, y'all. Oh, sugar ducky. Like my boy 84 say, sugar, quack, quack. They might fit, y'all. They fit. They fit in there, y'all. Yes, sir. I might get me a set of these. But nah, y'all, I'm just kidding around. I might do my door panels back over in the back. No air escaping. They fit, yo. They fit, daddy, yo. They fit. So stay tuned, y'all. You know what I might do. But these is not going in my truck though, for real, for real. So, yes, sir. We're doing a little something, y'all. We're doing a little something. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on in my truck. I'm gonna put you back on. All right, y'all. Y'all see all this stuff right here got to be cleaned up. My plans is, y'all, what I'm gotta do. I'm planning to mount my DSP, my amp, inside this box right here, cause this lid come down. You know. Then run my wires from my DSP to my stuff. My wires from my DSP to my amps. That's how I'm gonna control all my amps on that thing right there, the DSP. So, y'all see I got my stand already made for my 2 big boy amps right here. So the next thing we gotta do is just clean this mess up, man. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna run these LEDs. That's another big mess. So I gotta clean this thing out back here. So just stay tuned, y'all. We got a lot of stuff to work on. And I did get sponsored another set of these also from Scar. You know what I mean? And I've got a total of 40 bit board distribution right here. A 0 gauge could go in, and 4 0 gauge go out on this amp right here. On my other on the other set of these, I'm running well, I'm putting 1 out through it and 0 gauge right here to my amps. My other set of these, I'm running 1 out to here and also 0 gauge out. So just stay tuned, y'all. We got a lot of stuff we're working on in this truck. And y'all, we almost to the finish line. Once this mess get cleaned up back here, we good, y'all. Just know, we're gonna have bass and high soon. So get ready for that video, y'all. Much love to all of y'all, man. Like I say all the time, man, love somebody, help somebody, love somebody. And do what you love and love what you do. We got it, y'all. We here now. We gotta get this stuff done. You know we gotta get this stuff done. Y'all see my boss rep now. Console rep, amp rack wrapped. Door speakers in. Console wrapped. Everything color match my truck. Yes, sir. We're getting it done, y'all. So stay tuned for the next live. And stay tuned for the next live. Stay tuned for the outro, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all see what I'm trying to do. It's going to be loud and happy, y'all. It'll be very loud and happy. I say happy means very loud and clear to me. Happy may mean to y'all something else. But my stuff will be lot healthy, clean power going through everything I'm doing, y'all. Just know that I'm taking my time. I'm doing my research. I'm asking questions. I'm talking to DJ Ron. I'm asking Steve Meade questions. I'm asking everybody questions, y'all. Whoever answers my question, get back with me at a time, man. I'm asking you. And shout out to my boy Red Dude Rick on these subs, y'all. He gave me a lick on these subs. He told me who to contact. Shout out to Red Dude Rick. I know I ain't made no video in a while, y'all. It's been a long time since I dropped the video. So just know we working, y'all. You see I'm sweating? I'm working, y'all. Peace.
Thanks everyone for watching my video. Remember that it is never too loud. Peace and blessings to you all, and I will see you in the next one.